Hello friends, welcome back to Mia's Spice World. In today's video, let's see the recipe for lip-smacking crispy paneer fingers. This delicious, easy veg starter recipe is very crisp, crunchy and tasty as well. The paneer finger is soft and flavorful inside and crunchy outside. It can also be served as a party snack. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. So, let's get started and check out the ingredients. For this recipe, we need around 400 grams of fresh paneer. Take this slab of paneer and cut it into long finger-sized pieces. To marinate the paneer, we need 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gently mix well and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. For the batter, take half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Season it with little salt and mix well. Now add little water at a time to get a nice thick batter. Take some breadcrumbs and keep it aside. Dip the paneer fingers into the batter and make sure it's fully coated. Gently put it into the breadcrumbs and roll it. Make sure the breadcrumbs is well coated. Refrigerate the coated paneer fingers for 15 to 20 minutes so that the breadcrumbs stick well on the paneer. Heat some oil in a frying pan and gently drop the paneer fingers in it. Take care not to overcrowd the pan. Deep fry the paneer fingers in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes only until it turns golden brown on both sides. Remove and drain on a wired mesh or paper towel. Repeat the process for all the remaining paneer fingers. Our crispy and spicy paneer fingers is ready to be served with tomato ketchup. Do try this awesome recipe and let us know your feedback. Until then, keep smiling.